This guy makes $150,000 a year. He is in the top 10% of earners. And mathematically, he is completely, hopelessly broke. Welcome to the high-income trap. Society tells you $150,000 is the finish line. But let's look at the invisible math. First, the government takes 40 grand. You're at $110,000. Then comes the I made it apartment, 3.5 grand a month. Now you're at $68,000. Add the financed car, the student loans, the premium groceries, and the expensive weekend dinners you buy just to decompress from the high-stress job that pays the $150,000 in the first place, leaving you with exactly $0 to actually invest. This isn't an accident. It's an industry. Banks don't make their billions off the poor. They make it off high earners with great credit scores who confuse their borrowing capacity with actual wealth. They sell you golden handcuffs. You upgrade your lifestyle to match your stress level, running faster and faster just to stay in the exact same place. Looking rich is the fastest way to guarantee you never actually become wealthy. So, are you building a fortune or just financing a lifestyle?